let's read through here. Astronomers discovered an object that's 22,000 light years from the Earth. Now here's the Earth, and here's that object, and I'm telling you, that looks like my cat. You know, I wonder where he goes at night. I didn't really think he went that far, but apparently he does. So anyway, this object here is 22,000 light years from Earth. Let's draw in that distance. So here's the Earth, and this object over here is 22,000 light years. Now we're told here, right here, that that is 1 light year. So in 1 year, light travels this far, and we are this many miles. It travels this many miles, and we're this many light years away. So about how many miles is this cat from the Earth? So this is going to be a multiplication. We're going to take 22,000, and we're going to multiply it by 6, and then what do we have here? 12 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 more. Let's write both of these numbers in scientific notation. This one right here is going to be 2.2 times 10 to the, there's a decimal here, right? So we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So 4 to the left is positive 4. Times, now there's a decimal in this one right over here, so we're going to move it to the left. 3, 6, 9, 12 places. So we're going to get 6 times 10 to the 12. Now let's multiply the non-tens and then the tens. So we're going to get 2.2 times 6, and then times 10 to the 4, times 10 to the 12, and now 2.2 times 6, I'm going to do this up here now. 2.2 times 10 to the 6 is 13.2 times 10 to the, now we're multiplying powers with the same base, so we're going to add the exponents. So we're going to get 4 plus 12, we'll get 16. Okay, and this number we want to write in scientific notation. It's not quite there, right? It's 13 point. We want the decimal right here. Now to get it here, look at the exponent. We must have moved it 16 places now because it's positive. We moved it 16 places to the left. You know what? Let's make that even a clearer 16. It doesn't look like it's a 16 right now, but that is supposed to be a 16. So 10 to the 16. So to get this decimal right here, we moved it 16 places to the left. 16 to the left got us here. We didn't go far enough. We need one more. So that'll take it up to 17. So we're going to have 1.32 times 10 to the 17th. So now we've actually got it. This is miles. So we can claim that that's the number of miles from Earth. But just to be sure, let's take a look at something. This number here is light years, right? We have 2.2 times 10 to the 4th light years. So this is going to be 2.2 times 10 to the 4th light years. And this number, this is the number of miles per light year, right? There's this many miles in 1 light year. This many miles in 1 light year. So what we've got here is 6 times 10 to the 12th miles per light year. And then when you multiply, do you see what happens here? The light years cancel, and you're just left with miles. That's how I know that up here, this is just miles.